In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a Google Meet. If you need to save a meeting for future reference, training, or to review important details later, Google Meet includes a built-in recording option. Just keep in mind that this feature is not available on every plan. Recording is a premium feature, so if you do not see the option on your screen, you may need to upgrade your Google Workspace plan before you can use it. To get started, join your Google Meet as usual and make sure the meeting is already in progress. Once you are inside the meeting window, look toward the lower area of the screen for the meeting tools. In some layouts, you may need to click the 9-dot icon to open more options. This is where Google places extra meeting features that are not always shown directly on the main control bar. After opening the meeting tools, scroll down through the available options until you find the recording feature. The exact wording may appear as record meeting or simply record, depending on the version of Google Meet you are using. When you see it, click on it to begin the process. At this point, Google Meet may show a confirmation prompt or a short notice explaining that participants may be informed that the meeting is being recorded. This is normal and helps keep the process transparent for everyone in the call. Go ahead and confirm if needed, and the recording will begin. If you do not see the recording option after opening the meeting tools and scrolling down, that usually means your account does not currently include access to this premium feature. In that case, you would need to upgrade your plan in order to unlock meeting recording. A helpful tip here is to check your account type before the meeting starts, especially if you are planning to record something important. That way, you can avoid delays and make sure the feature is available when you need it. It is also a good idea to let everyone in the meeting know that recording is being used, even if the platform displays a notice automatically. That's all there is to it. Open the meeting tools or the 9-dot menu, scroll down,